Today, I've got something really cool to show you, the Bosch GSS 1400 Pro that I've been using for almost 7 years. Before we fully begin, let's make sure we're staying safe. Grab your eye protection, gloves, and a mask if needed, and let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY tips to help me make more videos. Let's jump right into its amazing features. Hey DIYers and pros! Welcome back to Mart Daily DIY channel. Let us do a demonstration. Sandpaper preparation. Fold the sandpaper in 1/2, then to 1/4, and cut with scissors. As you can see, 1/4 of the sandpaper is the exact size of the sander's tool foam pad. Sandpaper installation. Installing sandpaper on the Bosch GSS 1400 Pro is quite straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Turn off and unplug. Ensure the sander is turned off and unplugged from the power source for safety. 2. Remove old sandpaper. To remove the old sandpaper, hold it by an edge and pull it away from the sanding plate. 3. Attach new sandpaper. Align the new sandpaper with the hook and loop backing pad on the sander. Press it firmly in. 4. Place until it is securely attached. 1. 5. Check alignment. Make sure the sandpaper is properly aligned and covers the entire sanding surface to ensure even sanding. That's it. You're ready to start sanding. Here's a step-by-step demonstration of using the Bosch GSS 1400 Pro on a flat wooden surface. Preparation. 1. Safety first, as I previously demonstrated. 2. Workspace setup. Ensure your work area is clean and well ventilated. Place the wood on a stable surface or workbench. Using the sander. 3. Sandpaper selection. Choose the appropriate grit sandpaper. Example 60 to 80 grits are for heavy sanding and removal of material, while for finer grits example 120 to 220 are for finishing and smoothing. I will start by using the 80 grit sandpaper for this demo, and then 180 grit after. 4. Attach sandpaper. Install the sandpaper as I previously explained. Sanding process. 5. Position the sander. Hold the sander firmly, placing it flat on the wood surface. 6. Turn on and begin sanding. Move the sander in even, overlapping strokes, going with the grain of the wood. Avoid pressing down too hard. Let the sander do the work. 7. Edge and corner sanding. For edges and corners, tilt the sander slightly or use the corner of the sanding pad carefully. 8. Check progress. Periodically stop to check your progress. In this demonstration, we'll compare the effects of 2 different sandpaper grits on a flat wooden surface using the Bosch GSS 1400 Pro. We began with the 80 grit sandpaper, which is coarser and ideal for heavy material removal. Now, we'll switch to the finer 180 grit sandpaper design for smoothing. Watch how it refines and smooths the surface further, highlighting the important role each grit plays in achieving the perfect finish. Now, let us listen closely to the sound of the tool in action to notice the difference between the two grits. See what happened to the very used sandpaper that I have used for the past weeks, the recently used sandpaper, and the unused sandpaper. Overall, the pros. I am satisfied with this tool. It has reliably served me for the past 7 years without any issues. The motor is strong and durable, providing consistent performance. The cons. One downside I've noticed is that your hand can get tired after about 20 minutes of use due to the oscillating vibration. Let us watch the oscillating action in slow motion of the Bosch GSS 1400 Pro as I demonstrate sanding on a wooden surface. And that wraps up our in-depth review of the Bosch GSS 1400 Pro. To summarize, 1. The powerful motor and durable design make this sander a reliable choice for professional and DIY projects. 2. We've compared the performance of 80 grit and 180 grit sandpapers, demonstrating how each contributes to achieving a perfect finish. 3. While the tool's oscillating vibration might cause hand fatigue after extended use, its overall performance and reliability over the years outweigh this minor drawback. While the tool's oscillating vibration might cause hand fatigue after extended use, its overall performance and reliability over the years outweigh this minor drawback. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY tips, and to help me make more videos. God bless.